DIYers, now that I've got nice fall, right, I've got nice fall down to there. Won't be quite that much. It'll be because I want to have a little bit of lift. I want to have a little bit of room so I can lift my waist up to suit. So you see that? See that fall? That's beautiful. Absolute beautiful. Now I'm falling everywhere. Down to there, down to there, up there. I do not go from corner to corner. No way. Right, that's the slow part done. All I do now is just drag it back and get it flat to there. From there, that's all you do, DIYs. A wooden float follows ups and downs. Not as much as you think, but it still does. The longer the straight edge, the flatter you'll always be. See, I put a straight edge there, there's no gap. So I drag it back, I hope you can see. You drag it back, there's no holes or humps. A smaller piece like this, well then you've just got to do with your wooden float. And that's all there is to it. I don't steel trowel it off. I reckon that's bullshit. You want a little bit of a wooden float texture so the glue sticks better. When you steel trowel it, it just makes it look pretty, but it's all bullshit. Doesn't serve any purpose whatsoever. I've seen some screeds that have been steel floated. What a joke. I wouldn't even let my granddaughter roller skate on it. It was that one particular one that I saw. It was that up and down, it was ridiculous. But to the eye, it looked pretty because it was steel floated. This is your most important. Your shower floor. Always looking at both ends of your level, that you're not digging in. Whooshka. Just checking it with my level. I better check it with oh, that's only slightly above, but let's use a couple of tiles. Right, that's been glued down there. That's been glued down there. And we're falling there, see that? I'll put that there. See the bubble? Beautiful. Then it's rising from there up. There will be no shitty split tiles. And we'll see you soon. My next step is I'll be mixing up a little bit of glue and then running around outside and screeding it off at the same height. Then on Monday, because today's Friday, on Monday I'm going to start on my walls, and then towards the end of the day I can zap my floor out, and it doesn't matter where I end up because I can just carry it on the next day. I can carry on with my walls so I don't get a hold up. They're a little bit too small to wet bed. You could, but no, it's faster in this case to stick them down. Okay, we'll see ya. Bye. Thumbs up. Give us a poke at the subscribe button. See ya.